Welcome to the comprehensive course on Business Process Management and Business Process Model and Notation by Consultant Bot. In today's dynamic business environment, the ability to effectively manage and optimize business processes is crucial for organizations striving for operational excellence and competitive advantage. This course is designed to provide you with a solid understanding of BPM concepts, methodologies, and tools, with a specific focus on BPMN as a standard notation for modeling business processes. Throughout this course, you will delve into the fundamental principles of BPM and learn how to analyze, design, implement, monitor, and optimize business processes to enhance organizational performance. You will explore various BPM frameworks, techniques, and best practices used by industry leaders to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. Let's look at the course modules as below: Introduction to Business Process Management, Fundamentals of Business Processes, Process Analysis and Improvement, Introduction to BPMN, BPMN Modeling Basics, Advanced BPMN Concepts, BPMN Implementation and Execution, BPMN in Practice, BPMN Governance and Compliance, BPMN Adoption and Change Management, Calculating Return on Investment of BPM Implementation. With this course you will gain a comprehensive understanding of business process management and its significance in modern organizations. Learn how to model, analyze, and design business processes using the Business Process Model and Notation Standard. Understand the role of technology in business process management, including process automation, workflow management systems, and business process management software solutions. Learn how to measure, monitor, and optimize business processes for continuous improvement and innovation. Develop practical skills through hands-on exercises, case studies, and real-world examples to apply business process management concepts effectively in professional settings. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills required to effectively manage and optimize business processes using BPMN and other BPM methodologies. Whether you're a business professional, process analyst, or aspiring entrepreneur, this course will empower you to drive organizational excellence through efficient process management. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of business process management and BPMN. Your thoughts, opinions, and ideas matter to us, and we're eager to engage with our audience. If you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Share your insights, questions, or feedback right here, right now. Your comments not only help us understand what you're interested in but also contribute to building a vibrant community. Alternatively, if you prefer a more private conversation or have something lengthy to discuss, feel free to reach out to us via email. You can find our contact information in the description box or on our website. We're always eager to hear from our audience, and we'll make sure to respond to your emails promptly. Thank you all for being a part of Consultant Bot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.